So today I'm just smoking some pork ribs using the Brinkmann smoker, and that's going to be ready in just a minute. For a rub, it's just brown sugar, paprika, pepper, and garlic salt, and I'm using a mix of hickory and cherry wood chips. So I just added a liberal amount of chips, and we're gonna let it go for a few hours. It's gonna heat up, and we'll check on it, refresh the coals, and then I'll do a second round of smoke for a couple hours when it finishes. Alright, we're about 2.5 hours in. We're just gonna check on it. Oh, looking good. Coals are still hot, so I'm just gonna add the second round of chips and let these keep going.